Okay, here I have a model. This model will show how the lungs work. From plastic bottle, inside I put a shape tube and two balloons, and this is considered like mouth and nose. This is the head person, and this is the diaphragm. This is membrane. Now, from the brain will command the muscles to contract. When it contract, the whole air will go out from the lungs, and the diaphragm will come out. And what will happen if we release? If we release, we let the air go inside in lungs, and the plastic will be, the muscles or the chest will be released, and the diaphragm will go upward, will go in. Let's try again. Just go down, and we release. The air come in, inhaling, and diaphragm goes up. I do it again. This go down, and no air in the balloons. Exhalation, then we release. Inhalation, coming, and diaphragm go up, go in, and air full of the lungs. Apart from using this chest, we can also use this diaphragm. Like when we stretch, you see the lungs are full of the air, and when we release, the air evacuates like this, like this. Trick number one. Here you have an empty glass. Here you have a chopstick. Here you have spoons or forks. Who will think that this is possible? I get like this. Using a chopstick, check it out. I can balance my forks. Okay. Tell me what will happen. We provide how we can produce electricity or any kind of energy flow using the fruits. Here I have apple. Instead of, we may even have the lemon, we may have orange or banana, any kind of fruit. So here I will cut this into 4 pieces here. Now here I will need 4 nails, 4 pieces of coins or copper pieces. First of all, we have to use, I will first use the nail and this aluminum coin. One side here, coin on the side respectively to other pieces of apple, nail, and coin and coil. Okay, I'll connect this one here on nail, another one coin to nail, and then coin to nail, and coin to nail, and last coin to nail here. Here you have stopwatch, so I will pull out the battery, then I use my provided battery and see if it will work. You see, it doesn't work. Let me connect and see. I will connect here and here. Hey, it doesn't work. Okay, again I will try. Instead of using this coin, I will introduce metal copper plate here. Let's try it again and again and again to test. It works. So check it out here how it works. It works. You see, it works. The watch can work from the fluid electricity. Perfect. You see, it didn't put any battery, no battery, just using this apple. Okay, like this. It can work. Yeah. So let me see what kind of current is flowing. Oh wow. You see, before I will use galvanometer. Before connecting, it is in 0. Then when I connect, can you visualize the change? Okay, 0.1. So the current is flowing. Let's test this lamp, but it can't, I think. the lamp can't light because it will need a lot of electricity. Okay, we can say that the flutes can produce electricity when we use the nail as iron electrode, and we use copper as another electrode to change the electricity from electrolyte, which is this juice flute. So we have visualized that this aluminium can't work because maybe same type of iron, but when we change the electrodes, the copper and the iron, or the copper and the aluminium, can work because they have quite different material. Now I'm at the final stage, ready here.
Okay.
Oh!
Now it works.
Wow, it can go. Wow, it can go forward. Wow. Yes. Even if it meets with the obstacle, but it can go forward. Wow. Forward. So here what is going on? We have to take care on the propeller, because if we don't care, it can move in a circle motion, or it can move forward, behind. To make it forward, move forward, we have to take care on making propeller one behind another with a certain angle, like this, you can see, such that one push the water downward, another one push water upward, then the both will go forward. So using aluminum foil, I will demonstrate how electroscope works. Using the plastic bottle, I will demonstrate how electrons or protons can make the aluminum to repel each other. I will cut with this and like this. I can get 2 aluminum foil. Okay. After, I will get my aluminum foil, try to introduce on this iron wire. Just here like this. There are 2. You see? You see? You see? See? The aluminum foil can repel each other like this. Like this. And let's try this again. You see? Repel each other. Repel each other. When I touch here, they attract each other. Why? And I remove. They repel each other. Why? When I bring, so they attract instead of repelling each other. Okay, what I mean, we have here our electroscope. In this conductor, in this wire, we have positive charges, and on aluminum foil we have positive charges equal to the negative charges is equal to positive ones before charging. Then I bring my straw here, around here, charged. This straw is charged negatively around here. When we put close to here, you see these negative charges will push the negative charges on this conductor through this aluminum foil. So like this one will move. And they will come to concentrate on here. What will happen? This part will go away because they will repel each other. Now, let's see what will happen if we put our finger or our arm here. Our arm is charged negatively and positively, both charges. Everything has both charges. But it is natural because we didn't charge it. If we put our arm here or our finger here and we are connected to the ground, the phenomena is called grounding. The arm is here. The negative charges will be coming from the foil, the aluminum foil, and will come to my finger, to my arm. They want to go to the ground. After removing then our straw and our arm out, and these negative charges are from here, aluminum foil, like these ones, like these ones, like these ones, like these ones. Okay. And we remove. So from aluminum cap and the motor, I will make a VanDerGraff generator. This phenomena is showing how thunderstorm works. It's almost done. Here I have my motor and here I have the pulley, and I have used this scotch to connect this pulley to this motor, and I have to fix in the right way. Okay, it's almost done. Here I connect to motor. This is motor, and I will connect to battery, and you see I connect to the grounding wire. This wire is touching on the rope between the motor and the pulley, and I connected another wire, this one, to the top of the rope. It can touch a little bit, and when I turn on battery, this motor will turn this rope around this pulley, and these wires will touch on the rope. I have created an aluminum cup and putting some foil, aluminum foil, to test if the charge are available. I will put here and such that this one will attach inside. Like this. Like this. Okay. Let's use this battery, 2 batteries, and see if it can work. See, it can't work. It can't work because it is very heavy. We need a battery like this. We can increase the voltage. Okay, let's test and see. See, aluminum foil feel each other, means that charges are there. So I can feel electricity there. We can also test using our electroscope. See, electroscope also repel each other. repel each other away again. So the charges around here. When we connect to the power and we connect to the ground, we have something like this. Inside you have lobe. Here we have this brush connect to wire to the ground. Here we have motor, and here we have pulley, and another brush here touching on this metal. When we connect to the power source here, with the friction between this lobe and this grounding wire, with the power source energy, the production of positive charges will be produced around this side if the pulley is moving in this direction, and leaving here on another brush, the positive charges will distribute on this metal around here. At return, it will meet on this side, this brushing. Ionization occurs. Means the charges becomes ions. And the production of electron occur at this side. And again, when it reaches on this brush, and these negative charges go and neutralize where positive charges were coming from to the ground. And when you bring something charged negatively near this ball, the electrostatic force will occur between these charges. When we connect to a neutral object, what will happen? The positive charge ones will push the positive charges in this body, and the repulsion will occur in that case. This generator is explained by the phenomena which is called induction, charging by induction. And with these two phenomena can explain the lightning. And thunderstorm. What will happen in thunderstorm? When we have cloud here, this cloud has both negative and positive charges, but the charge separation will occur because of the wind moving this cloud, and the pressure in this cloud is not equal, where we have the light ice and the heavy ice. Light ice normally has positive charges, and heavy ice have negative charges. So the heavy ice will sink and light ice will float, producing positive charges up and negative charges down. When we get more and more negative charges, these negative charges will induce the ground, and the ground has both positive and negative charges. When these negative charges induce, so also negative charges will stay at bottom of the ground, and positive charges will come at surface. And the electrostatic force will occur. Once the electrostatic occur, these negative charges will produce what is called a step, like zigzag directions, to bring up these positive charges. when this step meets with a target like a tree here, and the tree is full of charges because of the water, it will be easy to struck by this lightning. And when enough charges are accumulated, this step will be connected to these charges and produce the huge energy from this step will come to connect with these charges, and the lightning will occur in the form of light, and we see the light before the sound, because of the speed of light is greater than the speed of sound. So this is lightning between cloud and ground. But we have also between cloud and cloud. And we have also between cloud and air. When ionization of air between the lightning of cloud occur, it is struck